Hello everyone, this small tutorial is how to open the game files for In Stars in Time. I made a couple mods and showed one off on YouTube, and I got a couple questions on how to do it. So I was just going to give us a quick tutorial on how to open up the game's code. Now you're going to need two things. You're going to need RPG Maker MV, which is the engine that In Stars in Time is made with, and then you're of course going to need In Stars in Time. Now this is a relatively simple process. The first thing you need to do is go in here, go to Browse Local Game Files, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the code of In Stars in Time out of Steam. By essentially, we're going to go to File Explorer, we're going to go to Documents, you go to Games, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to Control-C, we're going to Control-V. This is our list of games for RPG Maker MV. Sorry, Control-C, Control-V. It's going to take a second, it's about 2 gigabytes worth of data, pretty big. Perfect. Now we have In Stars in Time right here. We can just close up this tab. You do want to copy it. You don't want to just drag and drop because that might have a chance of you just pulling In Stars in Time out of the Steam memory, which might not end well. I don't know. Now what we want to do is we want to open up this in a separate tab. I have a separate one for my own projects, but for this one we're going to show essentially how to open it up. Now this is going to take a second to load because there we go. Now we're going to open this in a new window. I'm going to move this over. So it's going to show you a bunch of different code. This is a lot of plugins that are just mostly happening. What matters is in here. Now we open up WW. Now you're going to see right here that it has the game file right here. This is for launching the game itself. We don't want that. We want something that opens up the code. So what we're going to do is we're going to go WW. We're going to, which is all the game files. We're going to go to some random game that we made with RPG Maker MV. For this, I'm going to use iSetTest, and we're going to copy and paste this executable file, because this is just a file that launches the game itself. Okay, no, hold on, damn it. There we go. Okay. What you want to do is you want to copy this file, and we're gonna paste this file into here. Now, when we're gonna exit out both of these tabs, we are going to open project. We're going to go to Games, iSet, www, RPG Maker file, and it's all open. Now there is a bunch of stuff in here, and there's a lot of stuff. This was just mostly how to open the code itself. If you want to learn how to use RPG Maker, there's a lot of tutorials out for that. This follows a lot of the same rules except for a couple stuff, like how talking works, uses like these weird codes to have people move their faces forward, and lots of event triggers. Digging through the code this game is really impressive. There's a lot here. Yeah, so you can view all the different kinds of stuff, all the classes, skills and whatnot, and you can get to coding. One small thing I guess I could say, just off the top of my head, of something to fix, is Mira's like Holy Care Shield just doesn't work a lot of the time. for and that what that is that's just the super shield state. So what you should do is for like stronger attacks, it just like doesn't fix it, but it also makes you not go KO from hitting 0 HP, which is weird. Yeah, so high crit, more, seal, weekends paper, status effects, all stats up, super guard, here we are. Yeah, so you just can take that and then set all parameters for to take rock, paper, and scissors as 0%. So it'll show up as like the immune thing. But yeah, this is a really impressive game code-wise, and I think it should be looked into. Yep. That's about it. Oh, one last thing. So, you want RPG Maker to code it right? Well, until the 10th of February, 2025, the next 6 days, it is 93% off. It is $6. This is the time to figure out how to code the game. Do it now.